What's going on, guys? This is Aaron from Departures Capital, and we're here for our Friday live stream. So in this live stream, these are market minutes. We're also going to be talking about what happened on the markets, what's moving the markets, the awesome moves for gold and silver and all of our precious metal portfolios, along with the stocks that I did buy this week. So we're also going to be talking about that, some news. And then at the end, I'll give a few minutes or however long, depending on how many people are in here, for some discussion, some questions, and you guys can help me pick the next video for Departure stocks. So anyways, the first thing we do, like we do in every single one of our videos, is comment of the day. So that's what I'm going to get into right away. So we got a lot of awesome comments yesterday. As we know, yesterday was a really awesome day for gold. So let's see what's going on here. And that one comment that I highlighted from Carlos, I made 7,500 past 3 weeks and a half just by listening to you. I've picked 5 stocks for which have all performed beautifully today. Thanks so much for your videos. I've learned a lot. Trading was something I wanted to do, and finally I've earned good capital from the sale of my previous house, and I've been able to begin trading. Fan number 1. So always remember, guys, though, these videos aren't financial advice. Don't buy or sell stocks based on what I say. If you do see a stock on here that you like, take it, research it, make your own investment decisions. But I do appreciate the kind comment like that, so thank you, Carlos. What's up, Esteban? Yes, FSM doing really awesome. Very happy about that, back above 10 bucks. And I didn't buy any more just because I already held quite a bit of it, but very, very happy with the performance. So let's take a look at a few more of these comments. We did get a lot of awesome comments, and then we're going to get into the rest of this video. And oh yeah, so I forgot, please smash the like button. It helps this stream so much, along with supporting my channel. So if you do have just 1 second, smash that like button, along with subscribing if you haven't had a chance to subscribe yet. But you do appreciate a daily video that updates you guys on the markets, you know, lots of coverage on the precious metal sector and many other sectors, and then everything else we do here at Departures Capital. So subscribe, like, and yeah, drop us some comments in this stream or in the live chat if you wish. So let's take a look at a few more comments. When the market crashes, precious metals will also tank, yet precious metals will recover quicker. We saw that happen in March, so definitely agree with that, but I hope that the market doesn't crash anytime soon. Dreamcaster, huge run for silver, Bitcoin, and miners. Love it. Yeah, ooh, that's right, my boy. Hope you're having an awesome day. I am, and it's hot. It's a hot day. It's a hot day here in Ontario, and surprisingly, like, I woke up and sweating because I had the heat on, and then it was 80 degrees, so not complaining though. Silvercrest up 15%. That's 19 hours ago. Hi, Aaron. So happy I added PM stocks on the way down and kept my nerves in check. Today's explosion upwards did make me one happy camper. So a lot of you guys have been happy. So Alexander Coral, hello, Aaron. My precious metal stocks are right now all in the green except Trillium. The correction isn't nearly over. I'm totally convinced that TAT will be a very successful story. So yeah, we're gonna have an interview for Trillium. We'll have an interview and a full update on the company, so stay tuned for that. We will be making a lot more videos with Trillium because they've hired us to make a bunch of videos, so I'm really excited for that. And yeah, I mean, it's weird, like, we can take a look at Trillium later, but so much news for the company. They own so much land, yet the stock hasn't ran yet, so that's like, it's sleeping right now, but I think it's going to wake up eventually at some point, so we'll see. Brian Stewart, you do have a crystal ball, man. Cheers. I mean, I don't like to say that, but like this past week, it's been pretty good. Maybe we can thank my salt rock lamp. It's actually super hot right now. I should probably turn the light off sometime. Sky Gold, you need to add more, get back to covering that, the MJ sector, but unfortunately I'm not going to be, because there's been they've been censoring a lot of the content, so we're gonna not really be talking about it, unfortunately. I will talk about ACB, but that brings us to our next thing. So Departure Stocks has been going really great. Did start this new channel, 347 subscribers now. We're like more than a third of the way to 1,000, so I really appreciate that, guys. We've got 17 videos up there now, And for anyone who's in the chat or in the stream now, if you want me to, if there's any topic that you want me to talk about other than MJ stocks, then please drop it below right now and let me know what you want me to make a video about today. I will be making a video for departure stocks right after this live stream. So drop any suggestions that you want and I'll do that for you guys. So let me know what you want me to make a video about once again, and also don't forget to subscribe to Departure Stocks. That's our brand new channel. So what else do we have here, guys, for you? So let's dive into the markets and see what's going on. What's up? Thank you for the flames. So let's see what the Dow slips as results hang in the balance. So this whole thing is taking a very long time. Markets took a break from this week's highly enthusiastic rally as the countdown to the next, you guys know what I'm talking about, is basically there. So we're not going to talk too much about that, but I did want to talk about non-farm payrolls increasing 638,000 last month, better than the 600,000 that were expected. Meanwhile, gold is still holding on. We're going to put more emphasis on gold and the really awesome gold survey. So let's take a quick look at the charts, and we are in fact higher than we did close yesterday. So let's take a look at the charts for gold, guys. And we did notice a little bit of a sell-off down to like 1941-ish. Top favorite YouTuber, thank you for all you do, Bubba. Thanks, man. I appreciate that. Just drop me some suggestions in the chat as to what you want me to make a video about for our new channel, Departure Stocks. Either that or I'll run a poll and I'll pick 5 suggestions, but if you suggest them now, then I'll actually probably choose one of your topics, guys. So we are higher than we hit in last trading session. We got up to 1953. This session we got as high as 1961, and it looks like we're moving back up. The thing I like to see here for the charts, consistently higher lows. So gold, the momentum looks to be intact, although the rally is stalling a little bit. But this is good news in my opinion. So let's see, what about some cryptos? Bitcoin, Ether, Ripple, or some stocks, MoneyGram. So I could do that. I'll take that suggestion down. Give me 1 second. So what would you say, payment transfer stocks? Payment transfer stocks. Stuff like that, and Square, companies like Square maybe. Okay, so let's take a look at silver now. We got to finish this market recap. So I wanted to say that the charts for silver are looking actually more bullish than gold. I noticed a few things, and I also posted this on Instagram. So we can see here that in the overnight session, silver consistently has been making higher lows, although not by much. It did, and then it moved up all the way up to 26 almost, pulled back to 25.30. Now we're pulling back up, but that trend looks really nice on this recent rally since that sell-off and then that explosion from 23 almost to 26. So yeah, guys, I'm liking what I'm seeing in silver. Silver and gold are looking really good. The silver producers are performing better than the gold producers, but the explorers, the producers. We'll talk about that in 2 seconds. I wanted to talk quickly about the markets, and we'll see if we can break out into fresh all-time highs. It's hard to say right now. Bitcoin definitely has been on a tear. So I've got a bunch of articles. We don't have to read them all, but I kind of wanted to skim them. Election uncertainty to keep a strong bid in gold next week. So this is the survey. This is the most important article that I did want to talk about, though. So there's still plenty of uncertainty surrounding the U.S. election. Sentiment in gold market is unabashingly bullish as Joe Biden, they're still counting in critical states. So a Biden presidency means that more stimulus is coming. It's just a matter of how much, said Charlie Nita, senior market strategist at LaSalle Futures Group. That is going to be dollar negative and support higher gold prices. So I agree, but I agree whoever gets in, there's going to be more stimulus. And the US dollar is sliding yet again down to 92.23. And now it looks like, we are about to test 92. And if that doesn't hold, I think we're going to 90 or below. Bitcoin's digital gold. I can't argue with the gains it's put in recently. It's been quite amazing. So let's look at the gold survey. So this week, 15 analysts participated in the survey. A total of 14 voters each, or 93%, called for gold prices to rise next week. Although slightly less bullish than Wall Street, retail investors still remain extremely positive on the precious metal. So we got 1,008 voters, me being one of them. So 77% were still bullish on gold, with 14% neutral and only 9% bearish of all the analysts at Wall Street. 93% were bullish and 7% bearish, with 0% neutral. So that goes to show the sentiment in the gold market right now, guys, and I think this is very important. Wall Street led last week. Wall Street's leading this week with an even more bullish tone. So we'll see what's up. It's been a great buy for me personally, great potential, and yeah, man, that stock has done awesome. I watched it go down to $1 something. So when did you buy it, Johnny? Bitcoin Cash also. Yeah, there's a lot of stuff to look at. I stayed away from crypto for a while, not because I don't believe in it, but because YouTube didn't really like people talking about it. So hi there, new to investing and new to YouTube. Regards for your work. Thank you. TPD Investing. Thanks, man. All right, so we got a few more articles. I don't know if I really want to get into those. I kind of just want to talk about, the stocks that I was buying. But let's quickly just talk about Trump's odds. So now it's 7% betting markets versus polls, as election predictor explained. Betting odds gave at one point in time an objective value of probability of a candidate winning or losing. So it's just like gold market. Betting markets are a more accurate representation of how people really feel about a candidate. So they've been all over the place. It's been crazy. I've been buying Bitcoin in the last few months, and Ethereum is undervalued. So that's awesome, metal bum. And if you've been buying Bitcoin, I mean, you're doing pretty good. So now that we've got 20 people in the room, I'm going to have to kindly ask you guys one more time to smash that like button, just to see if we can get some more people in this stream. I appreciate all your comments so far. And also, now that we've got a few more people, feel free to suggest a video for today on the new channel, Departure Stocks. And thank you for getting me to 347 subscribers. So subscribe to my new channel, and you'll see that new video come out. I'm going to shoot it right after this live stream. Do you think Apple has more room for growth? Great question. I just wanted to actually, you know what? We'll skip the rest of these articles. The main thing was the gold survey, so that's kind of what I wanted to show you guys. The massive, or the crazy amount of bullish sentiment in the gold market right now. So anyways, let's take a look at Apple. I haven't looked at Apple or tech stocks, and I follow the NASDAQ, but I don't really invest in tech. I mean, tech makes tons of money. I just don't like the valuations, but chart looks not bad for Apple right now. My only concern is if it's starting to roll over again. We saw it hit lower highs over the last 3 times it's attempted. This is just technical. Over the long term, I think Apple probably will be higher. But with all the stimulus on the way, I wouldn't bet against tech. Although I'm not a bull on tech, I wouldn't bet against tech. So that's my opinion for Apple. The same goes for Apple. The same goes for Amazon. I do think that it will be higher in the future. Apple, Amazon, Netflix, Facebook, Twitter. I think all those will be higher in the future. I would just rather take part in a different sector. Do you think sentiment is too high on gold? Good question, actually. The time being, no, I don't think so right now. But of course, we can't let it get ahead of ourselves. But we're not even at $2,000 an ounce just yet, or we're not even at all-time highs yet again. So going back to the chart, we are in a bull market. So I think until gold gets to, 21, 2200, I think that we'll see sentiment shift then. But I think, right now, by the looks of the charts, we're just getting started on this next leg higher. So I think that gold, over the next couple of months should hit 21 or 2200. Relative to other assets like Bitcoin, I mean, I know it's not a great comparison, but Bitcoin has moved up like crazy. Now, Bitcoin didn't hit previous highs or I believe it was in 2017, but I still think that gold has a lot more room to run, at least to test those previous highs that we saw around $2,078 or $2,080 an ounce. So yeah, for the short term, I'm super bullish on gold, and we saw this consolidation. It almost looked like we were trending downwards, and we finally, hopefully broke out of that. That's not really a great line that I just drew, but you guys get the gist of it. This channel that we were trading in, it looks like we finally broke out, but we'll see what happens. I think stimulus is going to push things higher, and the same thing goes for silver. So let's talk about a few new stocks. So we've got 2 watch lists here. We'll talk about that in a sec, but I just wanted to talk about, oh my gosh, Fosterville South. Why am I not getting the right quotes here? 0 volume, there's something wrong with that, because that's not the case for today. Give me 1 sec, guys. I want to check my stock app on my phone, because something's up. Yeah, Fosterville's up 7.6% today. I don't know why we're not getting any quotes on investing.com. That's strange. I'm seeing Fosterville up 7.67%. I don't know about you guys. And I'm also seeing Turmalina up 6.8%. So those ones continue to run. I don't know what's up with investing.com. We're not getting any quotes here. Wow. Sorry, guys. I thought that... okay, we're getting quotes for extra gold. Let's see if that's accurate. Yeah, that's accurate. Extra is up 1.64%, but I wish I could give you guys some quotes. Maybe we'll try Yahoo Finance. Here, let's try Yahoo Finance. What's your take on FSM earnings coming up? Definitely excited. And what I'm going to be looking for is, silver production, how, the mines have operated over this past quarter, along with near-term gold production, along with their outlook. So outlook on production, I guess, is what I'm looking for right now, because Fortuna is a producer. Let me just restart this live chat. I'm not going to restart the stream. I'm just going to restart the live chat on my phone. Sorry, guys. I use my phone to do the chat. So give me 1 quick second. Actually, you know what? I'm going to switch to departure stocks so you guys can see that. There we go. All right. Smash the like button, and I'm going to say what's up. Subscribe. Okay, sorry. Picked up some more MindMed last week. Whereabouts did you purchase it? Actually, you know what? It was right below, or it was around $1. The last time I bought MindMed was at 96 cents. I just couldn't pass it up. I saw it tanking when the markets were tanking. I actually don't mind the charts for Yahoo Finance, so let's just take a quick look here. Yeah, I saw it tanking this day on the 28th. Had to pick up a few more shares, but I'm done buying MindMed for now. I bought enough MindMed. I think it's going to do good, and we're just going to sit on that position for a while. So let's take a look at a few other companies. Not familiar with these Yahoo charts, so FSX. So guys, Fosterville South. There we go, up 7.6%. Let's take a look at this chart, and it's just been such a big rally for this company. I've been talking about it for a while now, and it's funny where it found a bottom. It did not find support around 230 to 250, but it just, bam, took off like crazy from $2 to 337 now. And for all my Fosterville people, next Friday they have the vote on that Leviathan Spinco, and then if it's approved, approximately 5 business days after that, hopefully we'll get those shares. So it's not 100%. They got to do the vote yet. Leviathan Gold would be a standalone company traded on the TSX Venture, and I read somewhere potentially for 50 cents. So that's 1 share of Leviathan Gold for every 1 share of Fosterville South, if it gets approved. Don't quote me on that. Next stock, Tourmaline Metals. Oh my gosh, spelled it wrong. Tourmaline. This also has recovered very nicely, and I was getting a little bit worried. Picked some up the last time I picked some up was in the low 80s, but I did start buying it around $1.20. So we're in the green now, but had to invest a little more to average down than I wanted to, but whatever. Things are looking good now. It's hard to catch the bottom unless you're buying every day or every week or every couple weeks, depending on your situation. So I kind of saw a rally coming in gold, so that's why I was doing what I was doing. So that's it for Tourmaline. We're at $1.10 now. Nice rally for that one. And let's check Wallbridge Mining. Wallbridge hasn't really performed as great as some of the others, but I do like their property. I like their massive drill program. Should have a 200,000 meter drill program over the next 12 months, including the one that's going on right now. I believe that's what I read. So Wallbridge Mining added some at 80 cents or 82 cents was the last time. We're at 91 now, so just up a few percent on that one. Let's look at a few more things. One more thing. What's that other company? Reyna Silver. Yeah. Reyna Silver is what we got to look at. So it's currently trading for $1.01. I picked some up at 89 cents just a couple days ago. Interviewed their CEO. Really passionate about the company. To me, that means a lot. It's exposure to silver exploration, and it's going to be an interesting one to follow. I'm excited to follow their story. So the chart looks pretty good. I don't know if you can draw lines on this one. Yeah, you can. Perfect. All right, sweet. So, but how do you do it? Let's draw a big line. Come on. Okay, guys, I don't know how to draw lines on Yahoo Finance, but whatever. It's all good. You get what I'm saying. There we go. Yeah, no. Let's go back here. Okay. There was one other company I wanted to talk about, and that was Trillium Gold. So Trillium Gold hasn't been moving much recently. The chart, it's looking like it's putting some nice consolidation in. This is like the one stock that I'm actually looking to add a little bit to. We just did an interview with them. Like I said, we're working with them. We're going to have more information about them, but they own a ton of land in Red Lake, Ontario, which is an awesome mining jurisdiction. So I can't really understand why this stock hasn't gone up a lot more. I mean, it's got a $51 million market cap. Compared to some other companies, this thing's tiny. So they will be doing drilling, trying to create value at the drill bit, and I'm excited to cover their story. I think that as gold starts to pick up, people will become more interested, and this one, it's been sleepy. It's been sleepy over the past month, dropping to $1.50, going to $1.80, and kind of just not doing too much. So yeah, we'll see what happens, guys. But Trillium, that's one stock that I still want to buy. The rest, like Fosterville right now, I still think it's Not a bad deal, but it was obviously a much better deal at $2. Now it's at $3.30. But there are a few companies I still want to add, but I am, going to try and be not too crazy, all in, all at once. That's what I try and stress. Timed buying. So guys, anyways, what time is it? 2:26. It's been almost half an hour, so I'll leave a few more minutes for you guys to offer any requests, any questions, or anything like, what do you want me to make a video about for Departure stocks? Because I will be making a video for Departure stocks, so feel free to drop those suggestions. Hecla Mining. Great question. So if you want to know about Hecla Mining, head on over to Departure's stocks. 2 cheap gold and silver stocks for the new bull market. And McEwen Mining and Hecla Mining were profiled in this video. So it's the 4th video on the channel. Take a look at that on our brand new channel, Departure Stocks. Smash the like button. DSV. Discovery Metals. We've talked about that many, many times. Oh my gosh, guys. Thank you. How could I forget? That was like one of our biggest runners this week. Bro, I put 100K in Neo at 30. You think I'm doing good? One stock. Mark Romero. That's a big bet, my friend. We'll look at Neo in one sec. Yeah, so I just wanted to quickly say I totally forgot this. This was, in fact, one stock that I also bought this week, and thank you for bringing this up, Bo. I'm a big bull on Discovery Metals. This stock has had a tremendous run. I believe we were up like 20% yesterday, another 7% today. We're up off a $1.48 all the way to over 2. So fantastic run. I discovered this Discovery Metals just a couple weeks ago. I was looking for a new silver stock, and I saw how much Sprott owned. I saw what kind of assets they had in the ground, and I started talking about it. I made a video on the channel Departures Capital, this channel. So yeah, I'm happy, and I said I was gonna buy it into the ground if we go as low as $1.30, but we didn't. $1.20, $1.30. We went as low as $1.50, and I did pick up a little bit more, and then now we're at 2. So far so good. Happy so far. So yeah, the next company we were looking at was Neo. Well, if you're in at 30, I mean, you're already up. Well, you're up like 30%, 30-some percent. I was buying Neo around $2 and sold at 16. Hey man, you made 8 times your money. So, not complaining. The one thing, that another strategy some people like to do is when they double their investment, they just sell half and then let the rest ride forever. So that's another option. I mean, I've heard a lot of people like to do that. Personally, Bo, I will definitely be holding Discovery. Like a lot of these precious metal stocks, I'm buying them just to hold. Like the only time I would probably sell these companies if gold was to go to like 3,000 or 4,000 per ounce or something crazy. But this is like a 1 to 3 year plan for me with these stocks that I'm buying. I just want to hold them. I want exposure to the precious metal sector. It's almost like an insurance policy. Protect against inflation and the weaker dollar. Just preserving value, aka, the dollar's going down, gold and silver going up. So anyways, Neo, Suncor, and Atco. I turned really bearish on the energy sector early this year and sold every single one of my energy stocks except for still have some Interpipeline, still have quite a bit of Enbridge, still have a decent position in AltaGas for the dividends, not for the growth, of course. And then what else? I think that's pretty much it. Interpipeline, Suncor, Enbridge. Sorry, no Suncor. Interpipeline, AltaGas, Enbridge. There might be one other, but that's it. I sold a ton. I had a bunch of them. My arm is falling off. I hope you're okay, Aaron. I'm so confused. Okay. Anyways, guys, I'm gonna head out soon, but feel free to drop any other questions or comments. We'll take a few more minutes just to check that, along with any new suggestions for departure stocks video. I think we've got a problem here. We're gonna have to, unfortunately, stop this. That's the road I'm taking. I'm still brand new, only a year investing. I listened to just about every ACB video posted. Crazy ACB, I'm still holding. Thanks, bro, for the reply. No problem. My pleasure. Yeah, so Funky Fresh ACB. I was way too invested into ACB, and that was a company that I took a hefty loss on. Thankfully for MindMed, it saved me because MindMed in the precious metals sector saved me. I'm finally back in the green, but for a while there in 2020, ACB was a huge loss in my portfolio, probably like 25 grand in the red. But when ACB popped, not this quarter, the previous quarter, I diversified and bought a few others like Cureleaf, like HMMJ, and they've performed a bit better. But MindMed was probably my major savior. It definitely was. Thanks. Yeah, I keep Atco for the dividend. Might add getting thrashed. What are your thoughts on MUX? McEwen Mining. Great question. So if you're new to this stream, subscribe to the new channel and watch our 4th video, 2 cheap gold and silver stocks for the new bull market, and you'll see it right there. That we talk about McEwen and we talk about the other one. Shoot, what's the name? We just talked about it. Anyways, it's a silver producer, Hecla Mining. What do you think after the election was going to happen? So, stimulus. I think stimulus either way. And I think that gold's going to go up, and so is silver. So are probably the markets. I put everything into MindMed during the dip portfolio, 100% MindMed right now. Wow. Good stuff, man. I mean, I always stress diversity, so that's a bold bet. But so far it's worked out for you. Be cautious. Don't take these videos as financial advice. What do you think about JAG D9? Like JAG? Jaguar Mining? US MJ ETF, MSOS. Yes, I'm a big fan. MSOS. I'm a big fan of that ETF. I think that was probably one of the smartest ETFs that they put together because I'm just, super bullish on the MSO sector. So if you bought that when it first started, I think it's doing really good. How come when we hit 30 minutes, more people come into this stream? Like, I'm not complaining, but I'm just saying, I guess it's not a bad thing. Smash the like button. Guys, please, thank you. Let's see if okay, I'll stay for a few more minutes if people keep joining this stream. I was gonna wrap it up, but smash the like button and subscribe to our brand new channel, Departure Stocks. It looks like we got 2 more. Oh, we got 3 more. We hit 350 subscribers, guys. Thanks. Thank you, and watch that video, that 2 cheap gold and silver stocks if you're interested in Hecla Mining or McEwen Mining. Anywho, First Majestic. What? Why is it not showing us First Majestic? I mean, I'm a big fan of First Majestic. I think Keith Neumeier is a rock star, and we interviewed him twice before, trying to get him on again actually. Super silver bull. If you want the bullish, just the most bullish of silver bulls, I'd say that's Keith Neumeier with a $130 price target on silver. Alright guys, so now we've got 39 people in here. Let's see if we can get some more topics for our next video for departure stocks. So drop a suggestion for the next video that I'm about to shoot on departure stocks. What should the video be about? IMG are an undervalued Canadian gold miner. Let's look at that. IM Gold. I've heard of this company before. $2.38 billion. But the chart over the last 6 months does look not bad. So maybe we'll do a video on one brand new cheap gold stock. I'm gonna put that on the list. IM Gold. Thanks for bringing that up. New video. Planet PLTR. What do you think about the Jaguar mining on November 9th? One sec. Planetary Technologies. Don't know about this company. $21 billion market cap. Wow. EV stocks, AYRO. I'll write that down. Would you guys like coverage on EV stocks? Jaguar mining. Read through the study that MindMed published. Next video, I suggest uranium miners. There we go. We actually talked with a uranium company this week. They were potentially looking to do some uranium stuff. Data mining, PLTR, our data mining co. Awesome. Fury post-merge. High hopes for gains. I'm a bull on data. I mean, data is what makes the world go round. Let's see, guys. MindMed. Completion of phase 1 study. I will definitely have to look at that. Thank you for talking about that. It's nice to know they published some new news. So they've got more news flow after that $25 million financing. So we're now at 43 people. Smash the like button and subscribe to Departure Stocks. Just keep saying it. Wow, guys, 3 more subscribers. Let's get this to 1,000. I appreciate you guys. And the more subscribers I get, the more videos I'll make. So maybe we should run a poll on Departures Capital. Maybe I'll make 2 videos today if we get this channel to like 400 subscribers. Let me think. Okay, we're up to 45, almost 50 people now. I'm staying for 5 more minutes. And feel free to drop some more comments. I also wouldn't mind talking about renewable energy. Phase energy. Right now, I'm just going to write down all of the companies that you guys say for potential videos on the new channel. I also want to talk about renewable energy. Give you guys a few seconds. I know this stream's kind of delayed. Just back from my basement gym. I feel you, man. I feel you. Triumph Gold. Okay. So funny. There's that delay in the stream, so you guys are gonna get 10 seconds of me not talking. Why do I feel like people are gonna leave? No, I'm just kidding. Why would you leave? Enphase California Solar Company, within a year it went from $20 to $120. Yeah, renewable energy companies have seen crazy investment. In the future, will you cover the portfolio management topic? Like a video on how to manage a portfolio? I mean, I think everybody has a different strategy depending on your goal. Retirement, just making a lot of money, high risk, or whatever it might be. Why'd we jump to 59 people? This is awesome. I'm not complaining, but like, awesome, guys. For all my new viewers, subscribe to Departure Stocks. It's our brand new channel. We post all unsponsored content on here. I read that even Putin is into renewables now. I wouldn't be surprised. And also drop some suggestions for the next video that I'm about to shoot for Departure Stocks. And I'm gonna click refresh, and hopefully we got some more guys subscribing. 354, that's what I'm talking about. Perfect. Awesome, guys. Thanks, Oleg Galenko. Good call with RSLV. Yes, sir. Like I said, man, after interviewing their CEO, I was impressed. Very passionate man. Is a really long interview. He actually teaches us a lot about historical silver production and exploration in Mexico. So that's what I like. I like someone who knows their stuff and is just passionate about the company. I mean, he's been with it from the start. They haven't traded for that long. It's hard to find exposure to the silver exploration sector. And I thought to myself, what's the worst that can happen? They've got, you know, the projects were from Mag Silver. They've got a solid management team, a bunch of guys from Mag Silver. So yeah, I gotta say, I was impressed. So I wanted to make a video about it, and we will be dropping the interview with their CEO from Reina Silver next week, probably. It just needs to get approved by them. So yeah, that's the thing. I mean, there's a lot of companies out there that will pay to have videos, have interviews, and it's fun. I enjoy doing it, guys. I enjoy interviewing different CEOs, and there's different companies that I like, and then there's other companies that maybe I won't buy, but that's what my channel's all about. So don't get it twisted. Yes, we do make sponsored content, but not all sponsored content is bad. I mean, there's good and bad companies. That's why you always got to do your own research and due diligence. So anyways, thank you for your MUX response and video. My pleasure. Thoughts on Utes mining, ticker Ute? You must be from Toronto. The 6. Just kidding. For anyone who's in here, is from Toronto. Matthew must be from Toronto. He's got Ute, Ute mining. Oh my gosh. GL has very small number of shares undervalued. Let's take a look. Who's that? Look at Bayhorse Silver, huge upward potential. Will do. 1 sec. Okay, so let's get into some real stuff. Other than telling you guys to just, I can't talk. To subscribe to Departure Stocks. It's our brand new channel, guys, and we keep getting new subscribers. Wow. I will make a video right after this, so drop any suggestions that you have. Now that we've got 68 people, and smash the like button, and let's look at some new companies now. FYI, for all my people in here now, we've got 68. MindMed put out some new news a couple days ago. I want to post this in our private group. We'll be looking at that. 100%. GL. Wait a second. This can't be it. What is the name of the company? GL, Mr. Wellesley. So who's that says Bay Horse? Bay Horse. Silver. Ooh. Small cap silver. This is what I'm talking about. Yes, sir. 79 people, guys. The longer I stay, the more people keep coming. What's going on? Bay Horse Silver. All right. Thank you for talking about that. How are you feeling about Enbridge? Great question. How am I feeling about Enbridge? Let's take a look at the charts. You know what? I haven't actually taken a look at the charts recently, and it looks like it has slid a little bit. Gold Line Resources. All right. We'll write that down first. Great. I don't know, man. Oil not doing too well. Enbridge, hard to say. I mean, the chart doesn't look too good. I do like the business better than a crude producer. I'd be shaking in my boots if I had some Suncor. Not to say that Suncor is a bad company. Just oil is so not favored right now. And if anything, you know, I'm not saying either side would have been better for the election or whatever, but I did know that I think that Trump said he was going to support the oil industry more, and I don't know. Don't quote me on that. I could be wrong. But I think that if the way things are going and Biden gets in, then I think that we will see more love for renewable energies, more investment in renewable energy, and probably a more difficult time for crude. That's just my opinion. Doesn't mean I'm getting into politics, because we're not. Earnings was today. Okay. Well, then I'll have to look at Enbridge's earnings. So we'll write that down. Enbridge earnings. Okay, sweet. Gold Line Resources. All right. Long-time fan. Yes, I remember you, Wellesley. Thanks for being here. So, $12 million market cap. I'd have to take a look at the company, but let's see here. All the way back from the old ACB days. Yep, I remember. We survived. ACB, the rally in that today is nuts. Idaho's newest gold explorer. So multiple projects. They only have oh. This looks like a company that is a small enough market cap that might want to work with us. That's pretty cool. I like working with small market cap companies because a lot of them they have to have a good project. I mean, I don't want to just talk about any company, but I like finding companies that, you know, have something good or potentially something good going for them that are undiscovered. So that's pretty cool. I'll have to do some more research on that one. There's a lot. There's the Bay Horse Silver that I want to look into. There's so many gold and silver companies right now. It's like it's a good indication. Like the bull market's healthy, but also it's going to get to a point where there's too many companies, and you're going to want to be careful. So, newest fan here. Can you do an interview with the CEO of Arcana Corp or Silver One Resources? Try. I can't remember if I spoke to Silver One. I would like to, but we'll see. Wow, it's almost been an hour, guys. This is crazy. I was only gonna stay for 20 minutes. We're gonna do this. Ugh, maybe we can get this stream to 100 people. Okay, so let's get this stream to 100 people. Smash the like button, and also subscribe to Departure Stocks. This number hasn't moved yet, and I want to get it a few more subscribers. So, do I invest in real estate at all? Yes, I like real estate for the long term. I was actually a real estate agent before this. I was a real estate agent twice, and I quit twice because I didn't like it. But that's another story. I do believe in real estate. I think long term it's gonna hold its value. Might as well finish your tea on here. I'm not even halfway done. So that's gonna take some time. Curious as to your background. Are you licensed as an advisor, degree in finance? Nope. I'm not a licensed financial advisor. That's why I never give financial advice. I've just always liked the stock market, different sectors, investing. I studied business, general business, not finance. So I'm literally just someone who likes the financial markets. I like to talk about interesting companies, discover interesting companies. I like gold, I like silver, I like a few growth sectors and dividend stocks, different dividend stocks. I like really safe dividend stocks like the utility companies. So that's all. I'm not an expert, but thank you for tuning in. Glad you stayed. Learned so much from this year from you. Lots of precious metal spread and appreciative. Thanks, man. I appreciate it. We're all learning together about this interesting sector. I've been investing in precious metal stocks since 2012 when the market was good, and then we went through an 8-year bear market, so it was something else. How about vacant recreational land in Northern Ontario? Which city am I from? I'm from an undisclosed location. Sorry, I don't say that, but I notice your Chinese writing. One thing I can say though is I lived in China for 3 years, if that's interesting. Money hooligan. I don't know if you're Chinese, but yeah. I do know BTB REIT. I actually still own some of that, and it's recovered a little bit here. Let's just take a look at it. BTB REIT. BTB. Oh, it's hasn't been doing that great actually. That's one, I'm a little worried about that one, to be honest. Really nice yield, but office space right now is in trouble. So it's tough. Did we get another subscriber? Yes, we got one more subscriber for Departure Stocks. Thanks, guys. Thanks, guys. So yeah, I'm probably gonna head out at 3 o'clock, so ask the last questions. We got 5 minutes left, and then that's it. Got more videos to shoot. Got more videos to shoot for you guys for Departure Stocks. Okay, let's look at a few more things. Do you think since gold and silver went up, it's good to invest in platinum? Prefer physical platinum or platinum miners? I don't know much about platinum, I'll be honest. I mean, I know it's a precious metal. I know it has some industrial uses, but I don't know much about platinum, man. So that's the only thing. Do you think he works for the FBI? I hope. Me or the guy in the chat? Any thoughts on or talks on Cineplex stocks? I feel it has fallen way too much. That's one of those tricky recovery sectors that could take time, and I wouldn't bet on it right now just personally, but it could recover just like a bunch of other sectors that I've talked about. Retirement homes, cruise ships, airlines, theaters. Those sectors are risky right now still, because we know what's happening right now, and governments don't really know what to do with this whole thing, and it's like, do we open them? Do we close them? Shut down? Not shut down? It's like, oh my gosh, I'm a full-time YouTuber. Yes, sir, I am. I said to myself, when I move back from China, I'm gonna start a channel, and that's what I did. And I've been dedicating myself to that ever since. But back to my question, are you Chinese? Because I noticed I can read some of your writing on your name, so I actually know very basic pinyin Mandarin. I can speak very basic Mandarin. So Mr. Money Hooligan. Arcana, and what else we got here? Wait, I saw one more thing. Happy Friday to all. Enjoy your gains. I'm out. We hit 95 people in this live, and that's awesome. Smash the like button. Don't forget to subscribe to Departure Stocks. We're going to be dropping a brand new video on this channel in just an hour. And I haven't decided yet what it's going to be about, but it's going to be about an interesting topic. So I'd love to see the channel grow. Thanks, guys. Let's get this stream to 100. As soon as it hits 100, I'm out of here. I'm just kidding. Fridays. Okay, I have a better question for you guys. 2 questions. It's a 2-part question. Actually, it's 2 questions. Where are you guys from? And what are you doing for this weekend? Where I'm from, an undisclosed location in Canada. The weather's very nice, so definitely gonna get outside. So yeah, answer that question. Answer those 2 questions. I used to do this all the time when we had an ACB live stream. Oh man. Waiting. Oh, let's check in on our portfolios. Yeah. Arcana, Silvercrest, Core Mining, Fortuna, Silver Mines. All in the green today. Nice. Man, how long does it take to answer this question? I'm waiting. Medicine Hat, Alberta, hitting up the movies. Nice. I want to go to Alberta and the West Coast so badly. Colorado, fixing a fence. Sounds productive, David. Like it. Adding some sweat equity to your property. Same, undisclosed location and work. I'm from Malta. What do you think about Tesla? Don't ask me that. I'm not I like their founder. I like their company. I like their cars. I wouldn't buy their stock. I hate to say it, guys. I just think that the valuation's so high, but I think it will keep going up because of stimulus. Atlantis, prepping to narrate a fantasy audiobook. I'm an actor. Awesome stuff. I'm in PEI. I'll be working all weekend. Shout out to the East Coast. Fleet Copper, that's so cool. Northern California, iron worker. Awesome, we got California in the house. Sweden, drinking beer. Sounds like a great time. That's good to know. Awesome, guys. Thanks for sharing that. Okay. So anyways, that was fun, and I had a blast. I just want to look at one more watch list, and then we're out of here. I don't know why investing.com is not giving me any quotes today. Anyways, we're going to wrap up this stream. It's been an hour now. Thank you for tuning in. Smash the like button, drop a comment, and subscribe to Departure Stocks. We will be dropping a brand new video on the new channel very soon. Caleb Lockhart from South Dakota, college student. Watching me talk about stocks, man, that's respectable. When I was in college, that's not what I was doing. Like, I like stocks, but that was not my motive on a Friday night. We'll just say that. My motive on a Friday night was not stocks. It was having fun. So good stuff. What do I think about Planeteer? I'll have to look that up. But yeah. So subscribe to Departure Stocks. We're dropping that new video. I've said this 50 times in this live stream. And congratulations to everyone so far with gold and silver. Gold's holding 1950 really nicely right now. It's looking like we're going to close the week pretty flat. And what are you doing instead? Tips for college students. Tips for college students. Depends on what your goals are. Tips for college students. This is a tough question. Have fun as best as you can. Don't find something that you really like doing. Don't just settle for, the path that you think that you have to go down. Find something you're passionate about, that you care about, and that you enjoy doing. That's so much more important than chasing money. Money's awesome, but you'll make plenty of it when you actually find something that you really like doing. So that's my advice for a college student. Use that time to just explore. Like, I went to college and then I traveled for almost 4 years because I had no idea what I wanted to do, but I knew that I didn't want to sell real estate. But I was just chasing the money. Oh my gosh, I want to sell this house. I want to sell this house. But yeah, so use that time to have fun, enjoy, figure out what you want to do, and then when you find something, get serious and go all in on one thing. Eventually, at some point, you got to go all in on one thing, whatever business it might be, because you can fail. You have the time to fail and try something new. So anyways, that's my advice. Good luck, my friend. Appreciate you, and subscribe to Departure Stocks. Smash the like button, drop some comments. We're out of here.